in the series of increasing and decreasing function, we will see some more problems on increasing and decreasing function, or strictly increasing or strictly decreasing function. See exercise 6.2, question number 6, part B. 6 question, part B, exercise 6.2. Fx is 10 minus 6x minus 2x square. Fx is 10 minus 6x minus 2x square. So first of all, you find f dash x minus 6 minus 4x. F dash x minus common 4x plus 6, f dash x minus 2 common 2x plus 3. Then f dash x is equals to 0 will give you the value of x. X is equals to minus 3 by 2. Then we will put these values on number line. Minus 3 by 2, infinity and minus infinity, plus minus. Plus means increasing, minus means decreasing. But generally we put this way, but here before f dash x minus sign is there. If minus sign is there, then we have to start this from minus sign and this will come plus. If f dash x minus sign is here, then you start from minus sign. And now we can say if x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 by 2, f dash x is greater than 0. It means f is strictly increasing function. If x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 by 2, in this interval f dash x is greater than 0, so f is strictly increasing. If x belongs to minus 3 by 2 to infinity, f dash x is less than 0. F is strictly decreasing. So in this way you can decide whether the function is strictly increasing or decreasing. Then part E, same question, 6th question, part E. Fx is equals to x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole cube. This is the value of fx. Then we find f dash x 3 x plus 1 square into x minus 3 whole cube. We will differentiate by using product rule. Plus 3 x minus 3 square into x plus 1 whole cube. Now you can take common. 3 is common. X plus 1 square is common. X minus 3 square is common. We will get x minus 3 plus x plus 1. 3x plus 1 square into x minus 3 square, and it is 2x minus 2. 2 is common, so 6x plus 1 into x minus 3 square into x minus 1, x plus 1 square. And now f dash x is equals to 0. This implies 6 into x plus 1 square, x minus 3 square, x minus 1 is equals to 0. So the value of x is minus 1, 3 and 1. So by deciding f dash x 0, you will get 3 values of x, minus 1, 3 and 1. And now you put these values on number line. If you put these values on number line, the values are xl2 minus 1, x plus 1 has even power. So even power means at minus 1, and 3 also have even power, and 1 is so whenever functions have even power, you have to treat in different way. So minus 1 and 3 have even power. So we put these values on number line, and now we have to apply sign. Plus 6 is here, so we start from plus sign. But power of 3, x minus 3 square has even power. So before 3 is plus sign, after 3 also remain plus sign. No change at 3. And then minus, and at 1 also it remains same. Before minus 1 it remain minus sign, after minus 1 also remain minus sign. So it divide only in two interval. 3, before 3 plus sign, after 3 also plus sign. Before minus 1 minus sign, so after 1 also minus sign. Minus infinity, infinity. ऐसा कब करना है? जब फैक्टर्स के ऊपर इवन पावर आ रही हो, तो x माइनस 1 के ऊपर भी इवन है और x इक्वल टू 3 पर भी इवन है, तो बिफोर और आफ्टर सेम साइन रहेंगे. Now if x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union minus 1 to 1, or we can say x belongs to minus infinity to 1 except minus 1. F dash x is less than 0. So f is strictly decreasing. F is strictly decreasing. Similarly, if x belongs to 1 to 3 union 3 to infinity, or x belongs to 1 to infinity except 3, f dash x is greater than 0. So f is strictly increasing. So in this way you can decide whether function is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Next question, question number 7. In question number 7, y is equals to log 1 plus x minus 2x upon 2 plus x. We have to prove that it is an increasing function of x throughout its domain. This is increasing function throughout its domain. So domain of log 1 plus x is x greater than minus 1. इसकी डोमेन होगी log 1 plus x की वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए? डोमेन ऑफ log 1 plus x is greater than minus 1, and domain of 2x plus 2x upon x plus 2 is x not equals to minus 2, and we take common of these two. So domain of y is x greater than minus 1 or minus 1 to infinity. So domain of y is minus 1 to infinity. So we have to prove that the function y is equals to log 1 plus x minus 2x upon 2 plus x is an increasing function in the interval minus 1 to infinity. This is the meaning of this question. So to show this, we have to find dy by dx or f dash x. dy by dx log का डिफरेंशिएशन हो जाएगा 1 अपॉन x and differentiation of 2x upon x plus 2 by using quotient rule. X plus 2 square, x plus 2 into differentiation of 2x minus 2x into differentiation of x plus 2. dy by dx 1 upon x plus 1 minus x plus 2 into 2 minus 2x into 1 upon x plus 2 whole square. dy by dx 1 upon x plus 1 minus 2x plus 4 minus 2x upon x plus 2 whole square. 2x to 2x cancel, and now we can take LCM. dy by dx LCM is x plus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. So here you will get x plus 2 whole square minus x plus 1 into 4. then dy by dx x plus 2 square x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4x minus 4 upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 square. So dy by dx is equals to 4x to 4x cancel, 4 to 4 cancel, x square upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 square. So this is the value of dy by dx. If we have dy by dx 0, then point r x square has even power, so it is always positive. X plus 2 whole square is always positive. So remain only x plus 1. So x plus 1 decide whether this function is greater than 0 or less than 0. On number line, if we take xl2 minus 1, positive, negative. So if x plus 1 is greater than 0, then dy by dx is also greater than 0. If x plus 1 is less than 0, dy by dx is also less than 0. So if x belongs to minus 1 to infinity, dy by dx is greater than 0, and this function is dy by dx greater than 0, then y is increasing function. Y is increasing function because dy by dx is greater than 0 or equals to 0 also. When x is greater than minus 1 to infinity. So here it is not a strictly increasing function, it is only increasing function. क्योंकि at x equal to 0 and minus 2, dy by dx is equals to 0. If you find dy by dx is equals to 0, the value of x are 0, minus 2, 1 or minus 2. So in this interval, dy by dx is greater than equals to 0. Y is increasing function. अगर हम यहाँ लगाना चाहें तो यहाँ भी लगा सकते हैं, माइनस 2 यहाँ आएगा और 0 यहाँ आएगा, 0 और माइनस 2. इसमें भी देखें तो माइनस 1 माइनस प्लस प्लस ही रहेगा, क्योंकि 0 भी इस इंटरवल के अंदर आ रहा है, इसलिए dy by dx होगा ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 0. ओनली ग्रेटर देन 0 नहीं होगा, और फंक्शन होगा इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन, नॉट स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. So here dy by dx is greater than 0 in the interval minus 1 to infinity. That's why this function is increasing function when x belongs to minus 1 to infinity and minus x is greater than minus 1 is the domain. So this function is increasing in the domain of given function of given function. So tomorrow we will see some more questions. Till then, goodbye.